Alright.
There you go.
It's... hold on, what time is it?
Alright, hold on.
It's 4:34! Alright.
You guys have to 5:34.
James, Wyatt, and Martin Ryan, and Brendan is walking by. So is Matt. Alright.
Ready? Go! Fucking awesome. So cold. Already done? What's wrong with you? Bitch.
Drink as much as you can within the first 8 minutes before your stomach registers it. That's true.
I know.
Think of it as semen. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it.
No, it's just fucking freezing. It hurts because it's so cold.
Can't make us laugh.
It's been 3 minutes and Martin's already halfway done.
Damn, I'm about
I think James is about to throw up.
Chuck! Yeah! Yes!
It's been
No,
like
continue,
7 minutes
yes. Oh,
for him.
Throw up.
Oh, Wyatt, come on, Wyatt. You got beer, man.
Throw up. Good.
It's salty. Let's see how Martin's doing.
Martin's doing fall!
Damn!
Uh-oh.
I think all of it's just going to come out in one.
Damn, Alex!
All that remains is for Martin to throw up.
Driving. Right, going again. Putting milk down.
Drink more.
Oh, taking off his shirt, yes!
Oh, yeah!
This is where it gets good.
Yeah, now throw up on your chest. Oh.
Brendan. Look at Brendan's getting ready over there.
I'm just going to throw this away later. Mine's
Oh, it's gagging, man. Oh, Martin's feeling it. He's feeling it. Oh, come on.
Oh! Almost got you, dude.
Oh, my God.
Hit his shoe. Oh. Bye, guys. See ya.
Oh my God! Oh damn, dude! I'm not catching that bad boy hard.
I really shaved myself.
Damn!
Not all of it. That's the worst part. There's still more.
Oh shit!
Dude, this is so fucking great.
Martin, you gotta do it soon. Just.
I can see Martin really shooting.
Everybody back up when he's done.
Just go to the face and shit.
I think Martin's gonna.
It blows. Hey,
Martin, I bet you can hit that sign behind you.
Woo! We're putting this bad boy on YouTube.
Scrapes the bones.
That calcium!
That's a lot of semen.
I wonder if you can have it to where the point where your body takes calcium and then
Damn.
tell you that milk is good.
Oh, Jake,
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That got me in the eye.
That got you in the eye. That's fucking gross.
Damn, I'm at 15.32 in here. I'm still got an hour and 14 minutes left on my phone. That was so disgusting.
Everybody do the throw up dance to Martin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn, I think Martin backed out.
Keep drinking.
His milk. James threw up and he's just yelling like a rebel. Woo!
After this, you're gonna be lactose intolerant. I think I might.
Damn.
You can get lactose intolerant this way, can't you? I think so. Oh, my stomach's not hurt.
Martin didn't throw up any.
Lactose intolerance, you can go away though. My uncle was.
It's been 20 minutes.
I have to take a shit right now.
And Martin didn't even show any signs. He's starting to feel it a little bit though.
He's not drinking anything anymore.
Yeah, come on, keep drinking it.
He's not even drinking anymore. He's just standing there.
Chug it. Oh God.
Oh, come on, James.
Oh shit! Oh my God!
That was phony.
goes, here goes.
You're like,
Fuck is with that snake head movement?
we gotta go show your girlfriend this video.
yeah, she'll find that attractive.
Eventually.
She'll find that very attractive.
I think I have a good one. I have it all on all angles.
Speaking of attractive, why did Alex leave? Oh shit!
That was a awesome angle. I shot that.
Spread out.
People riding by when it happens, they're just like, holy shit! You settled up.
Are you not gonna drink milk for a long time after this?
I had cereal tonight. Not with milk. It's like iced tea or something.
You're gonna use iced tea with your cereal? That'll be another video.
Someone go put Martin's stomach.
When my uncle
I'm not getting near it.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
I'm not getting near him. Why does that dude have... Something's hanging off that dude's car.
Keep drinking.
Watch, as soon as I stop recording it, that's when you're gonna like projectile vomit like to the next block.
That'll be funny. Is it going somebody?
This is it. This is it.
It's about to burst.
I'll let them watch. I gotta show you how to coach people.
We back up. Oh,
I'm
shit.
trying to get close up to Martin's face.
Ah.
Might as well just name Murphy Milky Martin after this.
James is getting more.
Ain't no space now.
Oh yes! Oh my god! Holy shit!
You missed it!
I didn't miss it. Brendan missed it.
It's all
His $100 shoes. Look at oh shit! I thought you'd get for more expensive shoes outside like that. Ah! Oh my god, dude!
I know I'm about to throw up too, dude.
Me too. Oh god. They're going to throw up. Ah! That was a lot. Holy shit.
Mine's $140 shoes. Will that wash off? Yeah, I sprayed the stuff off.
Oh man, look, one last shot.
Yeah, there's a little kid like watching us over there.
Stop recording for now.
I think James is the star of this because he threw up so much. Penis! Oh!
There's that napkin in there.
This is an exclamation point. Finish it.
Yeah.
It's like so bad. It has its own current now.
Really bad. I just made it for Martin.
Martin like
That's not all he drank.
That's pretty much the entire gallon, almost. Either an arrow or an exclamation point.
That's the Avatar's fucking head right there off the Avatar.
Oh yeah.
On arrow.
Look, he's shaking.
Oh,
look at it.
That's disgusting.
Yeah. Oh god, don't. Fuck.
Later.
Alright, get it all out now. Do it quick. Battery's about to die.
Yeah, that's to eat some drinks. That fucking hurts when you do this shit.